Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to come to you today and present my hair tutorial. So, on some very freshly washed hair, we are gonna go ahead with some FOG spray and start blow drying this bad boy out. So, stick around for the journey. Also, an honorable mention, the products that I washed my hair with today are the Mielle Organics. Literally, this line is responsible for saving my curl pattern. I was suffering through some heat damage and just some growth issues. My curl pattern was all over the place, and Mielle Organics have definitely saved my hair texture. So I have the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. This is what I wash with. And to condition and deep condition, I use the Mielle rice water. The rice water. And this stuff, if you can't tell, it's completely empty. So I love it, my hair loved it, and it totally just repaired my hair. So big shout outs to Mielle Organics. So without further ado, let's get right into it. You're gonna see me blow drying my hair section by section. I'm just going to section everything off with some banana clips here. And yeah, hope you enjoy.
Okay, darlings, we're gonna go ahead and start off by taking out those damp braids and just going ahead and use our hands to section off that first area that you want to go ahead and blow dry. And of course, I'm going to be using a banana clip to clip out the hair that we don't need right now, that we're not working with. We're just going ahead to spray with the FOG, and we're going to really nicely work that through the full root to tip, raking it through the shaft just to make sure our hair has extra good coating on it before starting our blow dryer. So I'm taking the Revlon, using it on the highest heat setting so that I can go ahead and get started with working on my hair. I love this brush. It's really great because it just really allows for the heat distribution to be nice and even through the root, from the root to the tip. I like to start off kind of closer to the end of the hair and then just working my way up to the root. As you can see, it works very fast. I have a really great heat distribution, so it makes sure that your hair is not getting too hot. And of course, you know, you're actually in control of a lot of the heat because you're holding a piece in your hand while you're also holding the brush. So it's not like that direct crazy heat.
Just a few passes of this Revlon brush blow dryer really helped to straighten my hair for the most part, taking it from pretty damp and wet to almost completely dry in literally just a matter of a couple of minutes. So I just finished the first section, so you're just gonna see me go section by section. I always section my hair up into 4 pieces. So this was my first, starting with the back left hand side first, and then I'm gonna go over to the top right here that I have sectioned off, and then just so on and so forth. So stick around. Okay, so I wanted to share a quick pro tip for you guys. So using this, so obviously you can see that this section of my hair was a lot more wet than the back section that I started with. So I went through a couple of passes of this, and right now my hair is still pretty damp and very full right now. So I want to show you what I do sometimes when I really want to speed up the process. So I put my blow dryer on high, and I take a towel, put it behind the section, like grab the hair with the section and just go through it like this. And I believe this helps to just trap the heat in, to give you a faster blow dry. That got me almost where I need to be. It's just my roots right now, but what I like to do now is marry the section that I just finished blow drying, which is what I have braided back here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbraid that really quickly and just finger comb it a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry the two sections together. However straight you want your hair to be in the end, obviously we're going for a curlier look, so we don't need it to be bone straight. But however straight you want your hair to be, I always suggest, if you're natural like myself, do more sections than less. You'll get a more silky smooth result. If you've ever gotten your hair professionally straightened or had any of those like silk wrap treatments or anything like that, you'll know that they always want to go ahead and do very small sections depending on the coil of your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish out the rest of this section along with the back section to make sure I just really get through the roots, okay? Anywhere from point A to point Z is my favorite, so please embrace your curl pattern. Don't let anybody tell you that you need to have a wavier or a more coilier. You're perfect exactly the way that you were born, okay honey? Alright, so let's get into the second section here, okay? So same as before, I'm just going to go ahead, oh, and just to mention, I did take a dry banana clip, not the wet one that we had been using, that's this one. So, I mean, it's all plastic, you can just wipe it off, but you know, I just like to separate the two. Alright, so obviously this side might be a little bit quicker because it's had a little bit more air time to just dry out. So I'm going to go ahead and blow dry this side out. It's the same as this side, and I'll be right back. But this is how we are looking. We are very blow dried out, little Diana Rossi situation. I love it, I love it. I'm gonna hit my roots one more time because for this look, not that we really even have to have silky straight roots, I'm sorry, and I also just love massaging my scalp, but ooh girl. Not that we have to even have silky straight roots for real. I just like that that finished polished, well, like just polished look a little bit better with this type of look. You'll see what I mean when at the end. But yes, honey, let's go ahead and finish up these roots, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys with the curlers. And we're back with the freshly blow dried out hair. I went ahead and hit my roots up like I said, and I grabbed my curlers, and I'm going to show you guys the curlers that we're going to be using. It's actually the set of I think about 25 rollers came in this package. They're all different sizes. As you can see, the orange are the bigger curls, which we're going to be using quite a bit of these. And then we have the green, which is the size down, the purple the size lower than that, and then the blue is the tiniest. It's kind of like one of those little ones. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Before we do, I wanted to show you guys, I put on a white t-shirt, but I wanted to show you my length. Okay, so we're definitely growing here, and I wanted to just shout out the biotin pills that I have been taking. They're the Nature's Pride Biotin 500 milligrams. You can get this at your local vitamin shop. There are some really great ones also on Amazon as well, but I'll link these ones down below too, because they really help me out. Alright, so with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and just use my hands to section off the bottom half. Now, I got to act fast, guys, because my camera is trying to just go to sleep on me. Sis said it's 1 o'clock in the morning. What are you doing?
So guys, I do apologize. My camera did die mid section actually when I was doing my first section. So I just want to speak over exactly the steps of what I'm doing. So I added the Mielle twisting butter, the pomegranate twisting butter. I'll link it down below. And I just rub that through the hair shaft and then take the roller and, as you can see, twist the ends around, and then I do a flick of the wrist motion in order to get a really good spiral curl, as you can see that I'm doing here with the purple roller. So you just repeat those steps all over your head in any pattern. It's not really necessary for you to like draw out a pattern in your head. I like the more free curl look, so that's what I'm going for. I'm not really concentrating on like the middle section. I'm more so just kind of taking the curls around the perimeter of my hair. And I really like the extra volume as well. So that's the look that I'm going for.
And I love this style also because it doesn't have to be like super perfect either. Like, it's not a style that is like super like uniform. The curls are really meant to be like fun and kind of have that very carefree type of a look to it. So that is what that is about, honey. Okay, all right, so as you can see, we just have this little middle section and then we are done, babes. Okay, so my plan for this is to go backwards here. So just taking that section, gonna comb through it at the top, kind of doing the same thing we did with this orange one. Same plan. All right, taking that, rubbing my Mielle. And I wish I had more orange, to be honest with you, because sometimes I do like for the front curls to be a little on the bigger side too. But that's okay. We're loving what we got. Go ahead and use that flick of the wrist and just pull, you know, pull on your way up if you're going in this direction, and then we tuck. So I think I may need to do yeah, I'm gonna do 2 of those. 2 are my last ones. That's it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow and unravel these bad boys. It's gonna be so cute. You are going to love it. Okay, boom, boom, boom. And you know what I really like about this? It travels well, this style. If you're going on a trip like me, I am going to surprise my best friend for her birthday. So if you're going on a trip like me, these rollers are super easy to travel with. And it comes in its own little box already, so you know, it smushes down into pretty much 0 size. So it's just nice and easy. You can travel and do what you need to do. So I love it, and I hope you guys are gonna love it too. Okay, last section. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Booyah. Wrap, wrap, wrap. Twist, twist, and keep on twisting, baby. And we are done. Woohoo! So here we are. I'm gonna turn around so you can see what the back is supposed to look like as well. And we did it, y'all. So here's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna put my scarf on so that we can go to sleep. I think that this style does best when it has something satin and like tight to go around. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put my scarf on like this. And like I said, this is a style that's gonna kind of carry over into the week. You know, like tomorrow's gonna be first day hair, then we're gonna have second day hair, third day, you already know. So putting my scarf on, not super tight, but like nice and tight, you know, like a comfortable tightness. You don't want to smush the set either. And my love, so now that we got our scarf on, I never ever ever go to sleep without my bonnet. So I got my super big pink bonnet on. I love this one because it has a cute little band. I'll see if I can tag it below as well. Now we can just finish out our night routine, and I'll see you in the morning so we can undo this. And we're back. Welcome. It's the second day, so it's time to take off the scarf so we can see what this hair is giving. I had to do my makeup real quick. Okay. So really quickly, I'm just gonna put some amethyst oil on my hands. Just have a little so much, literally just enough to get your hands nice and slippery. This will prevent any frizz and breakage. Yes, okay, it's giving candy coils. All right, let's keep going, y'all. Complete look front and back, so do a quick little 360. And there you have it. I hope you guys loved it. And please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See y'all later.